Harvested beans are grouped for transport.
Each batch is measured to track yield and consistency.
The journey must be stable and protected.
Speed matters to preserve freshness.
The beans leave the fields behind.
From agriculture to industry, the transition begins.
This is where coffee becomes instant.
Precision starts at the receiving bay.
The factory prepares to receive its raw material.
Gravity begins the industrial flow.
Every load is checked before entry.
Movement replaces manual handling. Safety systems guard the process. Each batch waits its turn.
Environment is carefully controlled.
DTT transcription. Data follows every bean. The transformation is about to begin.
Processing begins beyond these walls.
The factorial's heart comes into view.
Scale defines modern production.
Human control guides automation. Transcription. Each route serves a purpose. Flow control ensures uniformity.
Oversight never stops.
Heat will unlock flavor.
Safety governs every step.
Transformation begins with heat.
Unwanted material is removed instantly.
Roasting complete. Refinement begins. Protection is built into the system. Consistency is carefully engineered.
Technology enforces uniform standards.
Automation still needs human eyes.
Cleanliness defines reliability.
Now, the Randy here at Clovesa, that we're during this Randy.
Nothing unnecessary moves forward.
Concentration builds inside the system.
The core process awaits.
Flavor is now ready to be extracted.
Heat and pressure unlock soluble coffee solids.
The core process awaits. Every stage deepens flavor intensity.
Every stage deepens flavor intensity.
Only liquid essence moves forward.
This is concentrated coffee in liquid form.
Clarity defines quality.
Water is reduced, flavor remains.
Precision governs every variable.
Liquid coffee prepares for its final form.
Liquid breaks into microscopic droplets.
Moisture evaporates instantly.
Coffee takes its instant form. Air and product part ways.
Temperature stabilizes the product.
Texture improves solubility. Uniformity is enforced. Automation takes over the final steps.
Every jar is measured to the gram.
Freshness is locked inside. Identity meets precision.
Machines verify perfection.
Speed meets consistency.
Ready for global movement.
Storage prepares for dispatch.
Distribution begins its journey.
And this is how modern factories produce instant coffee from start to finish.